Hello guys, I have an unfortunate new project. I broke my window on my 2013. I was lowering the window, but what happened is you see this window screen? I have it because of the sun, and then this part here was right here. So I went to lower the window, and as I was lowering the window, and I hear a loud crack. So the issue is this part here got stuck on the side here and prevented the window from going down free. And the reason I didn't have a chance to stop it is because this car, once you press this too hard, and the window goes down automatically, as opposed to keep on pressing down on it. So what I'm going to do is to take the panel, you see here, the window panel out, and to check the window regulator. And to do that, this part here has to come off, and there's a bolt inside, or big screw, and then here you see that this side it comes out. Okay, then on the side of the panel, see there's a you remove this little cover, there's a screw there, and then the bottom one, there's another one. So that's basically it for now. Okay, now for this here, you gotta be careful. You see, it's a chrome plated, yeah. And so what I use this very fine object here, or you can use anything, but don't use something that is hard, because it might damage it. So what I do is I manage to get it in the corner. You see that? And then yeah, and that's it, like that. And then so you mess with it, and look, you see, it comes loose, and that's how, and then you'll be able to remove it. There we go, like that. See here? Yeah. And then so here, see, there's that big bolt in there. All right, so look what I did, and this is what you will need to remove the handle, this part here. And so I have several extensions, but the main thing is that's what you need. Okay. Yeah. Also, yeah, remember to remove the bolts here, because all you have to do, remove this little cover, and then there are two bolts, and it's the same size of this tool here you use. Okay. Okay, so in the inside there are two mechanisms that prevent me from removing the door panel completely off the door. Here is the you see, that's the switch. Okay, and it's very easy to unsnap. And then secondly, you have this that door here. That's what to open and shut the door. So right here, that's that little part here you have to mess with to get this whole thing off, and so you can remove the door. Now look what I did. I started removing the seal on the side, but it was a mess, and I started tearing this up by accident. So I was like, let's do this. So I just cut this with a knife. Yeah, I have this knife here, and I'll cut it here on the side like this. You see? So now when I'm done, I will just put a big tape over it. Yeah, when I'm done. See? Right now I have access. I'm looking through here, And this is what I found down here. So it looks like I broke the part of the window regulator that holds the glass window down. You see, this is part of it. So when it was forcing itself to come down, and just shattered the part of the mechanism. To remove the window regulator, there are 3 bolts. So one here, 1, 2, 3. And then so we got this part here. That's the cable for the window. It will come down. Closer look. The window regulator. You see, 1, 2, and then the 3 here. The 3 main bolts to remove the window. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is it, and this is the broken part. So this is, you see here, okay, this is a better view. So this is the piece that broke. The glass sits in here. This one push it up. See, this all goes up, down, up, down. So see, this is off. So the glass, this one cannot hold it. So can I glue this? Yeah, and then put the glass down. Yeah, I can try to do that, but that would be a temporary fix. I'm gonna try to do that because it makes no sense for me to go ahead and buy this whole thing, because I might not be able to get this this bracket by itself. Hey guys, here's what I'm doing here. I'm so cheap. I'm going to try to melt it. The glue is not working because as I realized, this part here has to pull the window down, and then the glue will come, it will break off, okay. And so I'm using this soldering tool here, trying to melt it together. And in addition, I have this piece of plastic. I'm going to also use it as a support. And so yeah, so that's still a quick fix. And if it were to break again, this part were to come off, then I'll just go ahead and buy this whole system. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Let's see here, with this hot iron, I melted it, and I just go ahead and I get all this part even. So now it is strong. This hook here, that's what would pull the window down, because yeah, it will push the window up, but when you are lowering the window, this has to pull the window down, and the glue would not be strong enough, and it will break off. Okay, so now I completed the fix. I started
everything I do so instinctive, so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive, like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. Although we show up and make a statement, gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to say that.
Let's try it to see how it works. Okay. There we go. Good. Oh, see? Working now. Now again, I'm not going to mess with it a lot because that's an emergency fix. I'm going to do now, just going to go ahead and put all this back together. Okay, so and I taped it. So if I have to come back, it won't be that hard to remove the that cover. Then all I have to do is to see this is the hook, and that's to unlatch the door. You just place it in there. Place it in there like this, and then you turn this and you lock it, and so that's how you remove it. You unlock it and it comes loose, and then you just go ahead and place this inside this groove here. That's it. And then we have this this switch here. That's also for the door. Okay, that automatic door. Place those, and that will be it for the inside. Then put the bolts back in the respective positions. Then you put the that little cover back. Then lastly, you put the cheap chrome plated cover. That's it, and the job is complete. This is it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.